Alright everyone, today here we have a Winco ceiling fan. I got this fan off Craigslist about a year or two back, and it's the first Winco fan that I've ever actually acquired to my collection, so I was really excited to grab one of these, especially hence it's in my favorite finish as well, which is even another plus, white and polished brass. This fan is 100% variable speed, and it's most likely from the 1980s as well. Unfortunately, I can't determine the exact year, excuse me, because the only tag on top of the motor housing has completely faded. But this fan has a really powerful motor inside too. It's got a really nice high speed, and it blows a lot of air when the knob is engaged all the way. This fan is really heavy too, about the same weight as my Kendroy fan. Granted, I would assume they probably have the same stack motor inside, because I could tell that the way the physical appearance of the motor, the two motors look very similar. But other than that, the fan fully works and it fully runs too. Unfortunately, the light that you see here came with the fan too. I personally don't think it really looks well with the fan, but I personally think it would look better with like a typical schoolhouse fitter. But I only kept this on here just for originality's sake. But if this were to go up again, I'd definitely change the light kit out to something else. So now we'll go ahead and give it a demo. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoyed.